choke engine, 5.8 feet. lb torque 144 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV engine with no primer, no choke starting. Cutting height, 8-position single lever 4-wheel synchronized height adjustment from 0.7 to 3.2. Mowing convenience, 7, rear, 6, front double ball bearing wheels achieve smooth movement. Comfortable foam-wrapped angled grip eliminates grasp fatigue. Durable cutting deck, 20, cutting deck and specialized blade delivering a clean, even cut. Enjoy years of high-efficient mowing with superior cutting quality. Note: do not dump or turn the mower over to avoid oil entering the combustion chamber. Discover exceptional lawn care with our gas-powered mower. Powered by a strong 144 cubic centimeters engine, it provides unmatched performance. The 8-position easy height adjustment ensures your lawn's perfect look. Comfortable grip and smooth rolling wheels make mowing a breeze.